I'm originally from Mexico.
From Australia.
I'm from the United Kingdom.
I'm from Germany.
From Mexico.
I'm from Sri Lanka. I come from the island of Bonaire.
I'm from the Czech Republic.
I'm coming from Germany.
I currently live in Miami.
And I am based in Egypt, in the Red Sea.
I'm from Colombia.
UK.
From the great state of Florida.
I'm originally from Boston.
I'm from Italy.
I'm from the UK. I'm from Washington, D.C.
I'm from Colombia.
I'm from Berlin.
I'm from Pensacola, Florida.
I'm from the UK.
I'm from Miami.
I'm from Italy. I come from Spain.
I'm from Sweden.
I'm Portuguese. I come from Germany.
From Seattle.
From Brazil.
From the UK.
Originally from Russia.
From Poland.
The person next to you is really important, and their procedures are matched to your procedures, and it just makes things easy, which means you can have fun.
It's a lifestyle. It's a place where I have met a lot of friends.
It means community and exploration and fun and adventure.
So organized and fantastic people.
Projects in terms of collaborations, meeting amazing people from all over the world.
I love the community. I love diving with GUE divers, and I love the order and the organization of diving that the GUE provides.
The focus on procedures and security.
I strongly believe in good skills, good diving, excellent diving to protect our environment.
A community that you can reach out to wherever you are in the world.
Hanging out with them and still doing lots of awesome, nice and enjoyable diving.
Commitment to excellence. To be the best we can be, to seriously train, to get better, to move forward, and to take any challenges that come with it.
Just go anywhere in the world, meet new people, and get in the water with them a moment later. Even if you don't completely understand their language, you can still dive together and have a great time.
The community and the outreach of the environment, and just everybody getting along on the same page.
Getting together with like-minded divers to collaborate and learn more about the environment that we get to share.
Basically reshaped all my diving life.
The chance to almost meditate underwater, to explore places where nobody is, and to make lifelong friends along the way.
Doing really cool dives with divers that you are good friends with and divers that you know you can really trust.
GUE is basically where I found my home with diving.
And going off and doing a project baseline project or an expedition or anything like that, and just getting together, having a great time.
Getting together, discussing ideas, and getting inspiration from further projects.
The opportunity to meet people from all over the world and dive and take part in lots of cool projects all over the globe.
Being able to go do challenging dives safely with great, passionate people.
GUE for me is a way to share the underwater world with everybody.
The opportunity to dive with people with the same interests as me all over the world.
Project diving and having fun with friends and discovering new things.
It gave me an opportunity to come and work with the people I sort of looked up to in the past.
Community means conservation, means exploration. I think that's why we're all here together today.
I get to go underwater, above the water, meet people from all over the place, and keep my mind sharp, challenging myself and my body every chance I want to get in the water.
GUE is everything to me. It's awesome.
Literally, there is nobody else who clearly provides you a pathway from diving class to a diving project, and I think that's an amazing thing because it's adventurous, it's useful, and it leaves a mark.
We are never giving up, we are persistent, we are always meeting in different parts of the world with the same passion for diving and the things that we are doing within GUE. And even now, for me, it's more important that we are developing a new generation of these future passionate explorers that we can kind of spread in the world and then continue the vision that we have and that we started to develop.
An enormous, great big worldwide community of passionate divers who we can go and do projects and really cool stuff with. And it's really nice to be back in Florida at the home of GUE for the conference this year.
It's been so amazing to have all of our great friends and associates from all around the world. We've got people all through Asia coming back. It's nice to see people from there, from Bonaire, from all throughout the United States. super exciting to meet everyone again after this long dry spell during the pandemic. We launched our Project Diver curriculum during this program as well as a toolkit to help all of our many global projects be much more efficient and capable in the activities in exploration and conservation that we prosecute all around the world. Great opportunity to refine our programs and look at the year ahead. We've got an exciting one, and we hope to see all of you at a dive site soon.